You buy one of these cards, it's our early bird card. Now, normally our massages are $75 for an hour. 60-minute massage is $75. Buy this card for $30. You get every massage after that through September for $60. So you save $15 per massage. It pays for itself in 2 visits. Okay, now, the reason we call it early bird, the massage has to be scheduled between 8:30 and 1:30 in the morning. So while the kids are home or they're up and rowdy and you guys are doing things throughout the day, come in, get your massage, flash your card, boom, my card, save $15, get your massage. Have a great rest of your day.